Enhancing forensic skills, exciting workshops in Andhra Pradesh. In a groundbreaking initiative, the Additional Director General of Police, Addl, DGP Law and Order, and Madhusudhan Reddy has officially launched a series of 6-day forensic workshops that promise to enhance the skills of law enforcement across Andhra Pradesh. The virtual inauguration took place at the AP Police Headquarters in Mangalagiri, with the enthusiastic participation of APFSL Director G. Paula Raju and a host of police officers, forensic doctors, and prosecution officials from every district. On the very first day, the atmosphere was charged with energy as participants delved into the latest advancements in forensic science. Mr. Reddy emphasized the importance of the new criminal laws, highlighting a significant change. Medical reports and related records will now be sent directly to the courts by doctors. This streamlined process is set to expedite case resolutions, ensuring justice is served more swiftly. Adding to the excitement, Mr. Paula Raju shared insights on the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, BNS, which mandates forensic experts to collect crucial evidence at crime scenes for serious offenses that carry a minimum 7-year prison sentence. He stressed the necessity for investigation officers to be well-versed in protecting crime scenes, collecting evidence, and preserving it properly. This knowledge is vital for achieving accurate results in investigations. The inaugural session was graced by a diverse group of attendees, including Inspectors General, IGs, Deputy Inspectors General, DIGs, Superintendents of Police, forensic doctors, FSL experts, and investigation officers, all eager to learn and collaborate. This initiative marks a significant step forward in enhancing forensic capabilities in the state, paving the way for more effective law enforcement and justice delivery. Stay tuned as these workshops unfold, promising to equip our law enforcement with the tools they need to tackle crime more effectively.